today's video, I'm sharing some winter cleaning and homemaking motivation. I recently looked up the definition of homemaking, the creation and management of a home, especially as a pleasant place to live. I feel like this perfectly fits what it means to be a homemaker, putting a little bit of our hearts into making our homes more pleasant and lovely for everyone that lives there. I started the day by taking the sheets off the beds and getting them into the laundry. Sometimes I have to negotiate with our cat, Aloe, to get her to move when I'm cleaning, but she'll find another cozy spot somewhere. While the laundry was going, I started by cleaning out our entryway. This spot accumulates lots of shoes and coats, especially in the winter time, and gets cluttered quickly. So I put the coats away in closets and by our back door. I like our entryway to be tidy when we walk into the house. It feels like a nicer welcome than being surrounded by shoes and hats and coats and lots of visual clutter. Next, I moved into our living room and dusted all of the surfaces. I'm just trying to do a quick reset in here since it's been a while since I dusted in the living room. I try to dust every room about once a month, but with the holidays and the beginning of the year, I got behind. It's taking me a while to get reacclimated to my routines, but now that we're deep into February, I'm trying to get back on track. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. My name is Sara and I share videos about homemaking and trying to make our homes more pleasant places to live. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button so you don't miss anything new. to give our living room and entryway a quick vacuum. I do try and vacuum every few days. Clean floors make a huge difference in how clean our house feels, so it usually takes about 5 minutes to quickly vacuum every few days. Next, I'm dusting this gallery wall in our dining room. It drives me crazy when the pictures aren't straight, and I have to laugh at myself because even looking at them now a few days after I filmed this and they're crooked again. Clean sheets back on the bed. I really feel like clean sheets are one of life's little pleasures, and it's a great way to make our homes more pleasant places to live. Thanks for joining me on this quick winter homemaking and house cleaning. I hope it gives you some inspiration to tackle your own home. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!